Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll be working on auto repair financial model from scratch. I will be creating a small investment plan. If you find this video valuable, you may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So let's start creating the investment plan. So we want to link this investment plan to the moment when we start operating activity, so we may play with this moment, and I would like to link this investment plan to the moment when we start operating activity. So without retyping manually the data, the numbers of different articles inside the investment plan, so I just want to automate this story as much as possible. So let's assume that we have 3 months investment stage before we start operating activity. So this will be investment plan. So these are 3 months of investment stage. Here we will start. Here we have the moment when we start operating activity. It is September 22. So for that purpose, I will use VLOOKUP as usual. So I will search this value in this table. In this table, I will need the second column, exact match. So September is the ninth month inside the typical year. Then if this one equals to 1, then this will be 12. Otherwise this one minus 1. So for example, let's change here. We will start, for example, in February 2/1/12. Yeah. So for example, we will start in May. So you can easily see how everything is dancing to the right direction. So we can easily displace the project to the left, to the right. So now I will link months to these numbers. Also I will be using VLOOKUPs. So I'll be searching this value in the table on the top. In the table on the top, I will be searching for the column. I will be needing second column, exact match. I will be freezing this table. So this will be April. Then I will be playing with years. So if this value will equal to 1, then I will take this one minus 1, otherwise I will take this value, let's for example take here January to see how the year will jump. 22, 21, 21, 21. Okay, so let's put here May. So this will be the start operating. I will mark this column with green because here we will get the first revenue. Here I will place totals. I will create also totals for these columns. This is the timeline. This is investment item name. And here will be the inputs. Here we will name investment item 1. Here will be the list of all investment items that we have in our project. And here we specify when we invest into this item, and here we'll place how much we spend on this or that item. So for example 2, 3, 4. So these are the inputs. So we mark them with our specific color, which goes with all our inputs. Here they are. And now we have to place all these values inside the timeline. So we are going back to our timeline and we are going to add several lines. We will name it investment stage ending. So this will be displaced the first month of operating activity. Format cells, number. So here will be the end of investment stage. Here is the start of operating and end of investment stage. So now we have to count the months of investment stage 1, 2, 3, 4 backwards. So we can see here 1, 2, 3. then we will get 1, 2, 3 here, and according to 1 we will place this value, 2 will be here, we'll be placing this value, and for 3, 1, 2, 3, we will place this value inside the timeline. So first of all we have to count 1, 2, 3 backwards from this moment. Investment stage, counting like that. No, counting 1, counting so we'll start writing formula from this from the end of timeline. So the formula here will be if this one equals to 0, if and equals to 0, this one equals to 0, then 0, otherwise if this one equals to 0, this one equals to 1, then we put 1, otherwise this one plus 1, so here we see our months counting backwards, and now we are ready for our investment plan be placed inside the timeline. So we're copying the timeline, investment plan, dollars per month, then we place here the first year, then here we'll place the investment items, so this will be investment plan. These expenses will go, these totals will go to the cash flow statement. Here we will write the formula if this line, we are freezing the line, if this line equals to 1, then we will put this value, so 1 here, 1 here, 2 here, 2, 3, 3, 1, then if this one equals to 2, we will place C, 3, we will place B, otherwise 0. Now we'll extrapolate this formula to the bottom of this table, and then we'll extrapolate this formula to the right. So now we have our investment plan inside the timeline. So we can easily move it, so we don't have manually retype all this information. For example, we want to invest here $50,000, for example. We can see them here. We can displace the beginning of the project in September, September here, September here, September start here. Before September we have 3 months of investment stage, $50,000 displayed. So everything is very easy, convenient, fast of creating numerous amount of scenarios. So I will hide this. I will group this data, group. So now the next video will be devoted to payroll, then fixed costs. I hope you enjoyed this video. You may give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.